Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we're going to go over how you would check your oil. So on this GLA we have our engine, this is where you would add oil, and this is the dipstick. So we're going to go ahead and pull out the dipstick. We're going to wipe it clean initially, and then you would go ahead and reinsert it. Make sure it goes down to there. We'll reinsert it. We're going to pull it back out. And then we're going to see that our oil is between this line and this line. And it's where we want to make sure that our oil is between, it's got a min and a max, but we want to make sure the oil is anywhere between this. This happens to have a little bit more. It could just be that it's on a slope a little bit. But that's where you want to have your oil. If you need to add oil, go ahead and remove this cap right here. It's just a quarter turn to the left. Just take it off, add a quart of oil or however much you think, but make sure that you don't want to put too much, because if you overfill it, then you can cause other engine problems. Then once you've added an oil, you just put back on, a quarter turn to the right, and that is how you would check and add oil GLA class Mercedes. Thanks for watching.